you ever wanted to start a sticker shop or any online business for that matter, and for some reason you come up with excuse after excuse after excuse? Today I'm going to be talking about why you need to throw those excuses in the trash and you need to get started. Hi guys, my name is Rachel and I make videos all about business and lifestyle here on my YouTube channel. I run a planner sticker shop. I show you guys behind the scenes. I give you tips and tricks on how you can get started if that is something that you're interested in. So make sure that you click that subscribe button and that bell notification. That way you never miss a video from me. So today we are diving into those excuses that you might give yourself on why you can't do something, and we're going to talk about why you should just get rid of those excuses and you should just go for it and do it anyway. Now, I have seen so many people tell me that they want to start a shop, and for years now they've been like holding themselves back, and I feel like that is something that we all do. We all just kind of hold ourselves back. We are what's stopping us from doing things and going for the things that we want. So I wanted to kind of talk about the big things specifically that I see people who want to start a sticker shop saying and giving excuses as to why they can't do something when they really want to just do it. So the biggest thing is that the market is oversaturated. I see this so many times and it makes me sad. And I also hate when people say that, because yes, there are a lot of sticker shops and it is going to take a lot of work to make yourself stand out from the whole crowd. But the thing is, like, there's still enough room for everyone on this platform, whether you choose to do it on Etsy or your own website, there's still enough room for you if this is something that you want to do. You should never just not do something that you want to do because you think everything's oversaturated. I mean, look at like coffee shops. There's one on every corner, and yet new ones open up all the time because people want to start a coffee shop, and they're not going to let the fact that there are a million other coffee shops stop them from opening a coffee shop. Yes, there are a lot of sticker shops out there, but it is not impossible to get seen. It is not impossible to grow your shop. It just takes a lot of hard work. So stop telling yourself that the market is too oversaturated and just get out there and make a name for yourself. It can be difficult, but it's not impossible. And if it's something that you want, you just need to go for it. One of the other biggest things that people tell themselves to keep them from getting started is that they're not ready. But I have a big news flash for you guys. You're never gonna be 100% ready for anything. Sometimes you just have to jump in, feet first, head first, whatever you wanna say, and go for it. That's not to say you shouldn't take your time and research stuff, but I've literally seen people for 2 years say, I'm just not ready. I just need to continue to make more products. I'm just not ready. And if you never put anything out there, you're never ever gonna get any business. You're never gonna grow your business if you never just go for it. When I started my sticker shop, it was on a complete whim. I had no intentions of creating a business. So for me, I didn't really care as much. I'm not saying you should do that, but I just was making stickers for myself, and my mom suggested putting them on Etsy, and I did that, and then it became a business. That's not everyone's story, and obviously that was 5 years ago. Things were very different. But what I am saying is that you don't need to sit there and work on it for a year. Do your research, start working on your product, but just put it up there. You just have to get started. And it doesn't matter if you have one product or you have 100, just get started. Nobody had 100 products from the get-go. I personally only put one product up on Etsy, okay? And I know they recommend more, but what I'm saying is, like, you can literally look at that and keep yourself from ever starting because you'd think that you're not ready. So you just have to get started. Like I said, that doesn't mean don't do research. Obviously, there's a lot that goes into a business. So you do need to research how to file like for your business stuff in your state and all of that kind of stuff. But you don't need to spend a year working on it. You just need to get started. And as time goes on, you will learn, you will grow, and you will figure it out, but you just have to get started. The thing is, you're never gonna feel 100% ready for anything in life, but that shouldn't keep you from going ahead and doing this. If you don't get started, you know what I mean? Like, think of where you could be a year from now if you get started today. So don't let a year pass and still be like, I wish I could start a sticker shop. Just get in there and do it. So you may avoid starting a sticker shop because you're afraid of failure. You're never gonna get anywhere in life if you're always just too scared to try because you're scared that you're gonna fail. Yeah, you may fail, but let's look at the other side of things. What if you create this amazing business and you know, you hit all of your goals and it's just amazing. What if that happens? So you have to kind of play the what if game, but opposite of how you normally would. Like, I'm the worst with the what if game. Like, I'm always like, what if like this bad thing happens? And my mom always has to remind me, but what if you do this and it's this way? You know, it's like amazing and wonderful. And so you really have to kind of get in that mindset of, instead of saying, what if I fail? What if I actually am successful and I have an amazing business? So don't let the fear of failure keep you from starting a sticker shop. You may not want to start a sticker shop because you don't have the money to invest in the sticker shop. And I'm actually going to be doing a whole video on this because I know that this is like a big deal, especially right now with everything going on in the world. But you can start a shop without investing a ton of money into it. There's printable options like digital everything. You can start that way and save money from those sales to eventually purchase, you know, your printer, your cutting machine, all of that. Like I said, I'm gonna do a whole video on this on my channel probably next month, but for now, just know that money should not keep you from doing something that you're excited about. There are ways around it. There are different things that you can figure out how to do. So don't let the fact that you don't have money to invest right away stop you. Like, figure out a different way. Maybe you create printables. Maybe you create digital stuff. You know, maybe you just take a portion of your paycheck every month and save up until you can start a sticker shop. And while you're waiting for that, maybe play around in Silhouette Studio, which is free, and start creating stickers. That way you're already preparing, but you don't have to like start it all right today. That doesn't mean wait a year to start it. That just means if you don't have the money right now, save and keep working towards opening a shop. All right, and the last thing that I've seen a lot of here lately, just because of everything going on in the world right now, is the fact that we're in the middle of a pandemic. And I know that that scares people, and a lot of businesses have shut down, and it's scary to start up something in the middle of this time. And don't get me wrong, I completely understand it's a weird time in life. But one thing that I will say is, at the very beginning of this, I really thought that my business was going to take a hit for all of this. And I'm not saying this to brag, I'm saying this as hopefully encouragement to you guys if you are on the fence about starting a shop because of everything going on. But May was actually my top month for the year. I want to say it was better than any month that I had last year as well. My business still continued to grow throughout all of this. And I know that's not everyone's experience and that's not what's happened for everyone. But what I am saying is that it is possible, and you may have to work harder and you may struggle a little bit, but I don't think that you should just not do something that you want to do because of the current state of things. There's always going to be reasons that you can find that, you know, you shouldn't do something, but try to look at all the reasons why you should. And the number one reason why you should is because you want to. And life is short. If you want to do something, you just have to go for it. Like I said, just jump head first, feet first, whatever you want to say, and just do it. So those are a lot of excuses that I see, and hopefully this video helped you kind of say, you know what, no matter what the excuse is, I'm still going to get started and I'm still going to do what I want. You know, excuses, you're always gonna have them. There's always gonna be something that you're gonna be like, I can't do this, I shouldn't do this. But push through, do what you want. Life is short, go for your dreams. It's not impossible, but it is gonna take a lot of hard work. But anything worth having is worth working for. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button as well as that bell notification. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.